John is a consultant working at a client site. He's having trouble connecting to his corporate network, so he calls the help desk. Remote access problems are typically difficult for the help desk to troubleshoot. Help desk staff generally lack the specialised skills and the access privileges to all the infrastructure needed to identify the cause of connectivity issues. Gateway Insight in the NetScaler Management and Analytics service makes it easy for the help desk to analyse each user's remote access attempts and determine the cause of any issues. We pull up the user's information by searching on their username. Gateway Insight displays a simple indicator for each of the systems that make up the remote access service. The green icons confirm that most systems are working fine for John, but the authentication system shows 57 errors. By clicking on the tab with the errors, we can bring up the messages from that system's error log to find out what's happening. The error log shows a problem with John's credentials, and the help desk can easily help him to reset his password and resolve the issue on the first call. There also seem to be some server errors here, so we should probably raise that with the administrator of the authentication servers. Users often report their issues via the support ticketing system. The help desk will investigate these reports hours or even days later, so Gateway Insight allows them to go back in time and see what was happening at the time the fault occurred. In Liz's case, we can see that the only errors relating to her session were reported during application launch. The help desk will need to escalate this to a specialist administrator, but we can first update the trouble ticket with some more detailed information. Drilling down into the error log, we can determine the time the error last occurred and get the exact error message so that the server administrator can see exactly where to begin. The server administrator can also use Gateway Insight to investigate the issue further.